Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a very long time since I uploaded any video. I couldn't upload any video due to board, but now board is cancelled, so I have time to edit and upload it. Let me clear to you that this video was shooted in January, but as you know, due to boards, I couldn't edit or upload it. So in this video I am gonna show you my bullet journal setup, or you can simply say that Bujo, for the year 2021. This video has two parts. Part 1 is unboxing of my Bujo and second one is setup. So be there. As you can see, I bought it from Amazon. This is Amazon basic notebook. This is not a white one, this is a square one, and it already comes with a plastic wrap around it, and which was hard to remove. Its black cover is very hard and the pages are of good quality and are fine. There is a pocket like structure in the back where we can hold some stuffs. So the first two pages were white and I started by writing year, that is 2021, and then below it I started to write a quote for motivation. It says, if you want to improve something in your life, start tracking it and half of your problem is solved. The lines you are seeing were not present by default. I drew them all because I do not wanted to mess up, because it's my first bullet journal. So you can say like it's a blueprint. In all pages I did the same. So the first page I started with is the key, or you can call it notation. This notation helps me to know the status of my task or my all the works that I have to do. Some you can create your own keys, or you can just simply search it on Google. It is just like a circle which indicates task. A cross circle indicates completed. A circle with one line cross is cancelled. One arrow for migrated for next day, and double arrow for migrated next week. So you can create your own, just like you can use a square for circle or something. You can do more creative by your own. I also added a number of square present horizontally and vertically so that it will help me next time. The next phase is a future log in which I can plan my whole month, or can just write my important works or tasks to do in that particular month. Here I wrote all 12 months. So the next page is about my goals. Here I wrote 3 goals: academic, health and personal. You can add more goals as you require. The next page is about my YouTube, where I divided it into 2 sections. First is idea and the second is milestone. Here I can record my new ideas that for new videos and milestones that I achieved. The next page I created was my wish list for the year 2021. I wrote down 3 wish lists, which include: first is books other than academic, second is anime, and third is things. I left more pages for future to add more wish list. And now it's time to create my monthly log. I simply create my monthly log as the perspective of my studies. In this phase, I divided into few sections. First, I made a calendar of that month so that I can easily check the dates, and then divide other spaces into 4 weeks, where I can simply put out my whole month syllabus that I have to complete, and I can easily manage my work. So now this is my last page I created, that is daily log. In this log I simply just write down goal for my daily. So guys, the daily log look like it, and I also created some additional pages like to track my subject status such as math. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel. And by the way, this was my first voiceover, so tell me in the comment that how it was. I will see you next time.